If you're an organized, tidy person who has a natural gift for cleaning, well, then this video is not for you. Today, I am here to talk to the laziest, craziest, shadiest people out there. Yep, you know who you are. Simon. But listen, you're not lazy and you're not shady. You might be a little crazy if you're watching my videos, but regardless, I want to show you how you can clean your home in the laziest way possible. Because cleaning is the worst and I'd like to do less of it. Can I get an amen? So I'm going to share 15 habits that you can add to your routine today so that tomorrow we can spend more of our days doing more of this. That is what life is all about. So let's get into the first lazy way to clean your home. Don't. Find ways to make it so that you literally don't have to clean. For example, put aluminum foil on the bottom of your oven so that when grease or cheese falls to the bottom, you don't have to spend 10 minutes scrubbing it. You could just throw out the aluminum foil and replace it as needed. Same with your fridge. You can line the shelves with plastic wrap so that if something spills or leaks, you don't have to worry about cleaning it up. Remember, the key to a clean home is finding ways to minimize the need for cleaning in the first place. So do what you need to do to make things easier. Some other examples of this is using a toilet tablet, which are these little tablets you can put in the back of your toilet that help keep the bowl clean and reduce bacteria. You can also use parchment paper when baking in the oven or slow cooker liners when using your slow cookers. You can even buy those anti-splatter microwave covers. I've never tried it personally, but with how dirty my microwave gets, I'd be tempted to buy one. Just do whatever you can to make it so that you don't even need to clean in the first place. Because that is my favorite kind of cleaning. The kind where you don't do it at all. Another way to set up your home so that you can lazily clean it up: bins. Bins are a wonderful thing, especially if you are someone like me who clutters up every flat surface. I learned from Clutterbug that bins and baskets are the solution to this. Label them, put them on surfaces that collect stuff, and then when it's time to clean up, you can easily put the stuff away. Why stress yourself out about how your lotion needs to go in this cupboard and your face wash needs to go in this drawer? It's never going to make it into the cupboard, Olivia, so just bin it. Find a beautiful container, label it personal care, and throw all your products in it. If you're anything like me, your sink will always be cluttered with products, but having a dedicated container will at least make it look a little neater and make the cleanup a lot more simple. But bins aren't just made for the bathroom. You can put them anywhere. Dressers, sideboards, tables, counters, any flat surface that attracts clutter, add a bin. You can even use them for your shoes when you come inside because I don't know about you, but my shoes never seem to make it onto the shoe shelf. You can use one for incoming mail or bills that you need to pay. You can use it to store your living room blankets in. They are my solution to everything because it just makes cleaning up so much easier. So get yourself some bins and you can clean up without the effort. The third lazy habit for maintaining a clean home is to have speed cleaning sessions so that you can spend less time cleaning. So for example, after dinner, instead of cleaning your kitchen for an hour each night, put on a timer for 30 minutes, blast your favorite music, and speed clean for only 30 minutes. I truly believe that if you do this and push yourself to finish within that time limit, then you can move so much faster than you realize. Sometimes all it takes is just challenging ourselves a little bit. When I started doing this, I couldn't believe how much faster I could move under pressure. And I would remind myself that if I could just get this cleanup done within the 30 minutes, then I could have more downtime, more time to just watch a little TV before bed and enjoy the quiet. And this would make me move even faster. I think sometimes when we really don't feel like cleaning, we drag ourselves through it, moving slowly, grumbling, annoyed that we have to clean in the first place. But I want you to change your mindset and start thinking differently. Don't look at a job and stress yourself out about how you're going to be doing it all night long. No, just set a timer and remind yourself of the benefits that lie on the other side of doing this job quickly. More free time. And before I move on to the next lazy habit, I just want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. I create videos for those who are overwhelmed with their homes and just need a little laughter and encouragement. So if you hate to clean and like to laugh, then subscribe. But we are going to try to find ways to hate cleaning less by making it easier with this next lazy habit. Use cleaning tools that make cleaning more simple. Why are you still using a mop bucket? Give that back to your grandma. Did you know that they make spray mops? And they're totally affordable. For $40, I got a mop that literally holds the solution inside, and you can just press this little lever and the mopping solution sprays out. It's amazing. Mopping has never been easier. We live in a world where cleaning can be made so simple. We don't have to lug out these huge vacuum cleaners with 30-foot cords anymore. Give that back to your grandma too. They make cordless vacuums, robot vacuums, all in which make our lives 1000% easier. One of my subscribers here sent me this soap dispenser that has made doing the dishes a lot easier too. It holds my sponge, but it also dispenses the soap directly onto it while I'm doing the dishes. It sounds so simple, but it really does make my dishwashing experience more enjoyable. So, thank you, Cheryl from Hawaii, for your awesome gift. But just keep this in mind when you're shopping for cleaning tools. Make sure that you buy the products that will make the jobs more bearable so that we not only do them faster, but also enjoy the process a little more. The next lazy habit for a clean home is to stop scrubbing your shower. Let me explain. I used to clean my shower once every 2 to 3 months. And man, what a job. I'd be in there cleaning for what felt like hours as I suffocated from bleach fumes and pulled things out of my drain that could have auditioned for a part in a Chucky movie. Therefore, my bathtub was always disgusting and cleaning it took forever. That's why I want you to stop waiting to clean your bathtubs and start cleaning them every day instead while you're already in there. After you're done washing your hair, grab a washcloth and a little bit of soap and wipe down the tub. If you do this on a daily basis, then you can literally only spend 30 seconds wiping it down and your tub will stay clean. You'll never have to scrub it again because you're not giving the soap scum a chance to grow in the first place. So, next time you step into your shower, remember, a little daily effort goes a long way. And speaking of not having to scrub, you can also eliminate the need to scrub your microwave by using this cleaning hack. All you need to do is microwave a bowl of water for 3 to 5 minutes, and the steam will loosen up all the old food where you'll be able to simply wipe it all out effortlessly. Cleaning the microwave has never been easier, and it will work with just water, but if you want to, you can add a little bit of vinegar or even some lemon to make it smell nice. The 7th lazy habit for a clean home is to make sure that you're rotating toys. As moms, toys tend to multiply every year. They fill our living room, bedrooms, bathrooms. And how can you expect cleaning to be easy when these toys are literally drowning our homes to the point where we can't even find our husbands anymore?
Help me.
Okay, I know that joke is totally overused on this channel, but listen. You gotta rotate toys. Put half of them in the basement or in a secret closet, somewhere the kids won't find them. And then cleaning up will be so much easier, but even better, you'll have a stash of toys that you can bring out and your kids will act like it's the first time they've ever seen them. Even if they've already played with it 100 times 6 months ago, they're gonna act like that toy is brand new and you're gonna be so thankful for the time it gives you in the end. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Your future self will love you. The next lazy habit for a clean home is to keep a laundry basket in every room. Get those small white ones or these skinny collapsible ones that take up a little less room. And this will help reduce having piles of laundry everywhere. Nothing makes a home look messier than piles of clothes covering each floor. I even have a basket downstairs because I know that if I don't, clothes are going to end up on the living room floor too. So you choose clothes on the floor or clothes contained in a basket. And speaking of the floors, stop putting pressure on yourself to clean the floors all the time. I know you're stressed because the dog keeps tracking dirt everywhere or your 5-year-old keeps dropping jelly on the floor. Is it just me or is jelly just always on the floor? But anyway, instead of worrying all the time, Just schedule a dedicated floor cleaning day. For example, I try to mop the floor every Tuesday. Tuesday is the day that I do my tidy tango, which involves cleaning the floors. So Wednesday through Monday, I'm not going to stress about it. And this takes the pressure off, just knowing that, hey, the floor may be messy today, but we're not going to worry about it because it will get cleaned on Tuesday. Just like how I don't worry about my groceries running out because I know that come Monday, that's the day I do my grocery shopping. So the other days of the week, I can just relax. Having routines helps create a sense of control so that we can focus our energy on other parts of our lives without constantly stressing over the mess. And this doesn't just apply to the floors, but other cleaning tasks that are also weighing on us constantly. Set a time and place for things, and your life can run a little smoother. The next lazy habit for a clean home is to have a weekly family power hour clean. Get everyone involved. The kids, your husband, the cats. Set a timer, put on music, and have everybody clean as much as they can within the hour. You could even schedule cleaning zones for each person. One person can focus on the kitchen, one on the bathroom, and so on. You'll be amazed at how much you can get done when everyone pitches in together. And if you want to make it even more fun, then check out my Tidy Tango, which is an hour-long clean that's totally family-friendly, where I tell you exactly what to clean and talk you through the whole thing with encouragement, trivia, and even dancing. I'll link it up here and in the description if you want to check it out. But don't click away until you hear the 11th habit for a clean home, which is to follow the 1-minute rule. This tip was shared by the author Gretchen Rubin. She suggests that any task that can be completed in a minute or less should be addressed immediately. For example, replacing the toilet paper or taking out the trash if it's overflowing. These tasks are so small and quick that following this rule doesn't seem too hard, but the outcome is huge. I mean, Fly Lady, the queen of cleaning routines, revolves her whole cleaning system around this. Short, quick tasks throughout the day. Because really, that's all we have time for as busy moms. And you don't realize how much these tiny tasks can impact your home, but it makes such a difference in the long run. The 12th lazy habit to clean your home is to keep your cleaning tools accessible. Don't put them in the basement or in a closet upstairs, but find a way to keep it close by so that it doesn't feel like you have an extra step just to get the cleaning process started. Make it as easy as possible, because starting is honestly the hardest part. I keep all of my mops, brooms, and dusters hidden behind the fridge in this holder, and that way it's still hidden enough where it isn't an eyesore, but it's also close enough where I could easily get started quickly. Because honestly, if my kitchen needs mopping, but the mop is upstairs, I doubt I will take the time to run upstairs to get it. Now listen to me. I know that when your kids are finally in bed, you want to do this. But just wait 10 minutes, because the next lazy habit is to do a quick 10-minute tidy each night. 10 minutes isn't long, but it can make the world of a difference. And I know so badly, you just want to plop on that couch and tap out for the night. But if you just take a moment to set your timer and clean for only 10 minutes, no more, then not only will your home be cleaner, but it's also going to feel so much better to be able to relax without 100 dolls on your living room floor staring at you. The next lazy habit in my list is to fill up your sink with hot soapy water before you start cooking. This way you can just toss in the dishes as you go, and by the time you're ready to wash them, they'll have been soaking for at least 20 minutes, and this is going to make doing the dishes so much easier. I bet by the time you get to them, most of the food will already be cleared off just from the soaking, cutting your dish time in half. And the last lazy habit for a clean home is, you've heard it before, to declutter regularly. I know, it's so annoying. People are always saying it, and I'm sick of hearing it too, okay? But unfortunately, it's true. Our stuff makes us have to clean more because we're constantly trying to get it out of the way so that we actually can clean. But we have so much of it that we spend the majority of our time just finding places to put it all and never actually getting to the cleaning. It's madness. If we could just spend a few minutes each day getting rid of some of the excess, then maybe we could spend less time going through it all the time. And if you want to learn how to declutter, then you should check out Dana K. White's decluttering method. Click on this video next if you want to know how to declutter your home without making a mess. Is that even possible? Dana says it is. Let's find out.